Hey guys, welcome back. This is Janice. Today I will be making an egg omelet. This is very nutritious and very easy to make. The hardest part is to cut up all your vegetables, but other than that, it's very simple. In order to make this egg omelet, there will be a couple of ingredients that you will need to make with. First, I will need olive oil. Then I will use 4 eggs, and that serves for 2 people. Then I will use a 1/4 cup of grated cheddar cheese, a 1/4 of an onion cut up diced, and half a tomato diced, and also a half a bell pepper. Okay, before I start making the egg omelet, I will start whisking my 4 eggs until they get really smooth. Make sure it's all mixed in well. Okay, now my egg is ready. Okay, now I'm ready to start my egg omelet. So the first thing I want to do is start up heating the pan. Then I will add just a little bit of olive oil in my pan. Wait for a couple of seconds until it gets all heated up. And once the olive oil is all nice and hot, and then I will be adding my ingredients into the pan. Now I will pour in the ingredients, which I'll start off with the tomatoes, then the onions, and the last thing would be my green bell peppers. Then we'll just heat these vegetables for about 2 to 3 minutes until the onion starts to get a little bit soft, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, now my vegetables are all nicely and cooked. So now I will proceed on making the egg omelet. Okay, now I will start warming up the skillet. Put some olive oil in my pan. And once the olive oil is nice and hot, then I will pour the egg in my pan. Okay, now I will pour my egg in the pan and then let it cook for about 5 minutes until the egg is almost done. Make sure that when you cook the egg that you put on medium-low heat, because if you put it too high, your omelet is going to be burnt, and we don't want that to occur. Now I will pour my vegetables that I cooked before making the omelet, and I will put them on one side of the omelet. And once you put all the vegetables on your omelet, you just spread it out with a spoon. Okay, and then on the other side of the omelet, I will pour the cheese, and then we will let the cheese melt for about 2 to 3 minutes, and I will cover the pan. And just let it cook there for 2 minutes. Okay, now the omelet is already cooked, so now I will get my spatula, and then I will. Okay, now I folded my omelet in half, and since this is going to be for 2 people, I split it in 2 parts. So now my omelet is ready, and I will place it on a plate. Okay, Okay, now the egg omelet is ready to eat, and if you like to have a side of hash browns to go along with your egg omelet or a piece of toast, that will be really delicious. Thank you for watching my video, and if you think this egg omelet is delicious, please leave me a comment and let me know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care and see you soon.